Hello students, good morning to all of you. In class 12 commerce, we are studying the chapter change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. And in the previous video, we have covered the topic of calculation of goodwill by the average profit methods, weighted average profit methods, and by the super profit methods. And today we will explain. We will try to solve the problem by the capitalization methods. So in the capitalization methods, goodwill can be calculated by two ways: the capitalization of the average profit and the capitalization of the super profit. So let's explain this. So first of all, we will learn about how to find out the goodwill by the capitalization of the average profit methods. So our topic is capitalization of the average profit methods. So there are some steps you should follow to calculate the goodwill or the valuation of the goodwill. So first of all, we have to calculate the net assets. Net assets means the all the assets minus outsider liability. If you deduct from the all the assets from the and the outsider liabilities, we can find out the net assets. So the 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 things should you keep in mind, that's a goodwill and the fictitious assets and the non-trade investment will not taken into consideration while you are calculating the net value of the assets. Okay. So in the second step we will calculate the average profit. As you know, that's how to calculate the average profit. First of all, we have to add the whole of the different years. We have to take the total and divide the number of the years. We will find out the average profit. In the third step, we have to calculate the capitalized value of the average profit. Whatever we have profit calculated here, we have to find out the capitalized value of the average profit. So simply we have to put here the average profit multiplied by 100 divided into 100 divided by the normal rate of return. In this question, there will be given that the normal rate of return. What are the normally any businessman can expect from their business? Maybe 10%, 15%, whatever the question given. So we have to find out here capitalized value of the average profit. In the third step, we have find out to capitalized value of the assets. That can be easily done here by the average profit into 100 divided by the normal rate of return. And in the fourth step and the last step, we will find out the goodwill by goodwill is equal to capitalized value of the average profit. We have taken here the capitalized value of the assets minus net assets. In the first step, we have calculated the value of net assets. We will deduct from the here and find out our goodwill. So goodwill can be find out by subtracting the net assets from the capitalized value of the average profit. We will find the goodwill. Okay. So in this way, we will in the fourth step we will find the goodwill by the capitalization of the average profit method. Okay.